I really need to get to work on this thing. I pretty much got everything cleaned up. Got the old engine sitting there. We got the old engine here. We got the new one. Pretty much I need to get this one on the cherry picker. Pretty much get this thing lifted and start getting those exhaust manifold bolts taken out for one. I need to take the harmonic off, the water pump, timing. I pretty much need to throw in a cam, okay? Obviously, the NOx sensors gotta go as well. And I think the oil pressure sensor's good. I don't think I can swap, or I don't think I want to swap it over, but everything else needs to get pretty much just tidied up, okay? Now is the time. Let's go ahead and do it. The weather's changing outside, guys. It's like 30-mile-per-hour winds outside. You probably can't hear it. I got the muffler on here. Yeah, can you hear that? Let's go ahead and get this thing pretty much swapped over real fast. One more look at the junkyard 5.3 that I picked up. Look at this. Like, it just looks like it's been taken care of or rebuilt. I mean, the thing looks immaculate. I mean, just look at this. I haven't even touched anything yet. And, like, here's the side. I mean, oil pan looks good. Front main looks good. Water pump in good shape. It looks like it's been replaced. Timing cover looks like it's got a better gasket, I'd say. Oil pan, this side looks fresh. See? I mean, I guess the only thing now to do is to pretty much strip it down. So let's get these coil packs off here. Let's go ahead. I gotta take the water pump off, which sucks. And then motor mounts, the exhaust manifolds, and then we gotta pretty much, oh look, 708 heads, nice. Then we gotta take the studs and get those pretty much out, and this thing should be ready to go. Have been waiting for it. Let's go ahead and take these valve covers off and see pretty much what we're working with on the inside. Hopefully it's decently clean for the valve springs, the cam, and whatnot. Then we just got to take the harmonic off, which I don't have this damn puller. And then we got to take this front cover and then pretty much do the whole cam. You guys already know I'm not that good with timing a cam, aka this video right here. If you guys don't know that video, go ahead. It's down below in the link. Go ahead and watch it, okay? You can get a little laugh, okay? I was really bad back then, okay? Well, I'm bad still. But, you know. So pretty much, let's go ahead and get these valve covers off. And let's see the insides of these bad boys. Alright. Oh, that's not bad. That's nice golden brown. That's not bad at all. That looks pretty nice. The inside don't look bad at all. It's a little cakey. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Alright, let's get the other side off. We'll do the old spinaroo. Woo! That's not bad at all. It just looks golden brown to me. I think this is a win for the Kaboob Speed Shop, alright? So, if you guys are enjoying the content, obviously, leave a like right now. Subscribe if you guys are new. And let me know down below what you guys want to see next. Especially on the Foxbody, on that new edge out there, on the old 5.3. Leave it down below, guys. I'm always open to suggestions, okay? But let's go ahead and it'll fast forward to tomorrow to pretty much have this harmonic and stuff off, and let's get this cam installed. I'm so excited. Timing cover is off. Now pretty much we gotta start disassembling and pulling the old cam back out. But first, we are gonna be painting the valve covers here. We got Tristan here. You know, he's a professional painter, okay? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Yeah, exactly. Not a mechanic. I got the valve covers clean, and I got the timing cover right over here. We're actually going to be doing it this, whatever type of red. I think that'll look pretty good, especially with the Foxbody's red interior as it is. I think this is going to look pretty fancy on these. So I'm going to put some red on here, and let's see how it turns out. Alright, before I do anything, That's not the dot, is it? No, that's the dot. Okay. You see dot and you see dot. That's lined up, okay? And this is all the way right here, top dead center. I can't screw this up like I did last time. Well, I got the valve springs in with new valve guides. Or not valve guides, valve stems. Now I just need to do the other side. It's getting late. It's actually almost 11 o'clock. And I gotta go to bed. Okay, Google, shut up! I gotta cut that whole part out. Man, making my life terrible. But, okay, the LS, coming along. It's not really an LS, it's 538. It's still part of the LS family. Okay, fast forward to tomorrow. So I pretty much have this saying lined up dot to dot, guys. Look at this right here. That is dot. See if you guys see the other dot. Come on, focus camera. See that dot right there? That's lined up with this dot. And if we take this flathead and the spark plug, that is top dead center right here. That should be done. Okay, I'm gonna spin it over a couple times to make sure. But as you guys know, I messed up last time. But that is dot to dot. That's correctly timed. Okay, I'm gonna spin it over, just verify. But let's keep rocking and rolling. Covers are on. Let's do a little spin. What's around? Valve covers on. Timing cover on. Cam's installed. The valve springs are installed. And a little 530 is pretty much ready to go. I'm waiting my oil pan. It's getting welded for the bungs. And then pretty much I want to clean up just the cylinder heads a little bit more. And maybe put some paint on the block just so it doesn't look as, you know, dirty per se. And next, obviously, engine mounts got to go on. And then pretty much this thing is pretty much ready to go back inside the car. So, I guess let's go ahead and mount the rest of the stuff. Let's get the motor mounts on. And then maybe clean this area up for the water pump and get that ready and cleaned. So we can, I want to say tomorrow I might be going back in. I don't know. Let's find out. Well, it looks like the 5.3 is ready to be installed finally. Like I said, I am going to clean up the cylinder heads a little bit more, but the inside is ready to go, which I'm super excited about. I'm still waiting on my oil pan, but I can put that in later, okay? Everything else is good to go. Like I said, the valve springs are in, the cam's in, everything's looking, if I do say so myself. If you guys have any suggestions of what else I should paint, I'm not going to install it probably till tomorrow, so you guys are going to see this video first, okay? Do I paint the cylinder head silver? Do I do something cool with that? Paint them black? Just paint this black and the engine black? I don't know. You let me know. But everything else is ready to go. Turbo kit. As you guys can see, it's going to look pretty spicy on here. Okay? I think it's going to look pretty good. Okay? So this thing is about to get, you know, pretty much rocking and rolling in the next couple videos. I want to say 2. Okay? That's very soon, guys. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.